Hi guys, welcome back to Beautiful You. Today I'm going to be doing a very different video. As you guessed from the title, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial, the first that I've ever done on my channel, so this is really exciting. And I don't quite know how sort of the filming of this is going to go, because I am a newbie at having sort of the wires from the straighteners and all the products and everything, but I'm going to do my best. So yeah, let's just jump in. So the tutorial that I'm going to show you today is how to get effortless beachy waves. I feel like there's a million of these videos on YouTube already, but some of them are really difficult to follow, and some of them you need to have a certain sort of hair tool or something like that. We are going to be using Dead and Easy straighteners to do this. So these are the GHD Eclipse hair straighteners. No different to the regular ones that they do. I bought these a couple of years ago now, and I think they're fabulous. And the reason I like them is because you can do so many different looks with them. You can curl your hair, you can straighten it, you can create waves. So that's why I love them. The other reason I love them is that they heat up super quick, so you don't need to wait around for ages. So we're just going to start by taking my hair out. So I washed it yesterday and I haven't styled it. Shocker. I have a lot of hair. It's very thick, but it's very well behaved. I'm very fortunate. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by brushing it through, starting at the tips and working my way up. So like I've already said, I washed my hair yesterday, so this isn't fresh out of the shower hair. Personally, I think that this whole look works a lot better on hair that's not freshly washed, because when it's sort of a day old, it has a lot more texture, a lot more body, and a lot more hold. So we're gonna jump right in. I'm just gonna section off the top of my hair. As you can see, I really wanna show you that I do have a lot of hair. So yeah, I'm going to section the top like this. So my hair's normally poker straight. The only reason it's got a kink is because I've had it in a top knot all day. Moving on to the flat iron, or the straightener as we call it in the UK. Again, like I said before, what I love about these straighteners is they heat up so quick. So I'm going to turn them on. And they light up just there. And then we just wait. We don't have to wait very long at all. Super quick. Don't let me down. There we go. So what you want to do is you want to take a section as if you were going to curl it. So no bigger than that. Take your flat iron, curl it round, then back the other way, down, back the other way, and alternate like that until you get to the bottom where you just pull it down straight. And there you go, you get this really lovely tousled beach curl. I absolutely love it. So just move that out of the way and go in with your next piece. So same size piece again. Round, down, round, back and forth. It's like a mermaid beach wave. And sometimes I like to just scrunch a little bit, but yeah, it creates this really lovely wave. What I love about these hair straighteners as well is that they only heat up to 180 degrees, so they're not piping hot, and that means that with daily use it doesn't cause as much damage as if you were using a hair straightener that was heating up to 220 or something like that. So it's definitely better on your hair. So we're just going to keep doing that all the way around until we're done with this section. Brilliant, now that we're done with that section, I'm then going to take another section and curl that bit as well. What I love about this look as well, I'm going to show you sort of at the end, but it literally takes me 10 minutes. It doesn't take me long at all. So when I've not got time to do like full-on curls, it's just a great in-between. Look at that. I love it. So you'll have to tell me in the comments how you're all coping with not being able to go to your hairdressers, because I'm all right because my hair's not in a specific style. And I actually had it cut the week before they closed all the salons, so I was super, super happy about that. Because my biggest concern with my hair is just split ends. I want to keep it nice and healthy. Brilliant, next section. So I tend to part my hair down the middle, but you can do it to the side. So just select your parting. And yeah, we'll just continue and get this section all done. Okay guys, that's it. We're done with the hair straightener. So all I'm going to do now is use a little bit of hairspray, and I like to use the Wella Firm Hold hairspray. I would use less firm hold generally speaking, but when I went to the supermarket this was the only one they had, so we'll make do. So what I like to do is just sort of lift sections up and just spray, let it fall, and it just creates more volume like that. You see the difference on that side versus this side? If you just lift sort of as it falls down, it creates a real nice natural lot of volume. If you still want some more volume, then I recommend using like a dry shampoo on your roots and just working that through. What I love about this is that because it's, despite the fact that it's firm hold, as it wears, it's a very natural finish rather than it being set like concrete, it does have a nice bit of movement in it as well. Brilliant, that brings this tutorial to a close. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. It is the first hair tutorial I've ever done, so if you liked it and you want to see some more, then just leave me a note in the comments below. And I really hope that if you decide to recreate this hairstyle, that you enjoy doing it and you don't find it too difficult. I promised you at the start I'd let you know how long that took, and it took under 15 minutes for me to create this wavy hair style. So I think it's brilliant if you're just running out the door, or like currently, because you won't be running out the door at the moment. Yeah, I love it because when I've got sort of a last minute thing to do on video conferencing or anything like that, it just makes me feel a lot more done, and this will last me days. Yeah. It lasts me a good long time. Please leave me a thumbs up on your way out, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.